Guys, what is up? Welcome back to the channel. I believe this is episode 18, even though it's been a long time since we were at episode 17. But you gotta have a lot of discipline, get a lot of dead presidents together, and you can get to this point too. So there's a little update video. You remember a couple episodes ago we were getting the frame ready to get molded, welded, everything, and we're in that stage, we're in that process. So I just wanted to do a little update video for you guys. I want to give a huge shout out to Firme Hydro Werkz. They're the guys over here doing magnificent work, some of the best in the state, if you get my opinion. I want to give another huge shout out to Alex at Hoppos Hydraulics. Alex, you're an awesome dude. I'm so glad to be working with you and Hoppos on this build. Just to give you guys a little teaser, I got this beautiful work of art from Hoppos, and I won't give too much away, but we will be trimming out the rest of the car on this one. Huge shout out to Curry and Hoppos for coming together and making some stuff for the Lowrider community. I want to give a huge shout out to CPP for supplying the parts, a bunch of boxes from Hoppos. So I just want to do a quick little update video, kind of walk you guys around in the process of where we are now. I'll show a couple clips of the frame when it was on the trailer coming over here, and we'll put a short little video together so you guys can see where we're at. Like I say on my Instagram, a lot of things are happening behind the scenes, but you got to hit that subscribe button if you want to see. So stick around and see what we get. Like I said, I just want to keep a short episode, update you guys on what's going on. I'm not going to open any of these boxes, even though I'm the first one with one of these. So make sure you subscribe, come back for the next episode so you can see what's in these.